Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of 612 Motorsports. My name is Sean, and today we're going to try a little experiment. I have a family function to go to, and it's about 3 hours south of here, and we're going to see just how good this vehicle gets for gas mileage. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the gas station, we're going to top off the truck as much gas as we possibly can put in. We're going to drive our 3 hours or so, and then we're going to come back home, and then we're going to top it off, and we're going to compare, and then do some math, and then we're going to see just what we got for gas mileage. Now, this vehicle is a 6-cylinder, and it does have over 300,000 miles on it. So it'll be interesting just to see what we get. So let's head off to the gas station. We got our Starbucks, we got our fuel. I think we're getting ready here. So, we've got over a full tank of gas. We'll hit our trip clock, zero that out, and now we're going to hit the road. So let's top it off here with gas, and then we'll do some math when we get home. Wow, 26 miles to the gallon on a 22-year-old 300,000 mile vehicle. That's pretty damn impressive if you ask me. I really honestly couldn't ask for better. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because there are some things coming up on this channel that I am so very excited for, and I can't wait. But I'm not going to tell you what they are yet. So please hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more upcoming content that's going to blow your mind. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.